Welcome to the Good Bitter Best Bar. Today we're going to make an old-fashioned using our old-fashioned kits. First you'll need a muddler, a bar spoon, and a jigger. Let's start by adding a teaspoon of infused sugar into our glass. We are also adding a teaspoon of water, and the best part, our bitters. In this case, we're using the classic Aromatic flavor. Then we take our muddler and we muddle the bitters, water, and sugar together in the bottom of the glass, which turns it into a simple syrup. You need to do this for about a minute until the sugar completely dissolves. Next, add your favorite rye or bourbon whiskey and give it a stir. Then add a large, clear ice cube. For the aromatic kit, the garnish is an orange. You can either put this on the side of the ice cube, or you can clip it to the side of your glass, giving it a more modern look. Next, we're going to look at our smoke kit garnish, which is star anise pods. I prefer just to float the pod right on top of your beverage. Next is our cherry cacao kit that comes with dehydrated cherries as our garnish. We're going to use a garnish pick, 2 of the cherries. Go ahead and slide those on the pick, and you can either serve it sitting on the top or slide it by the ice cube. Cheers! Delightful